good morning. Who is Jeff? Yeah, hello. Yeah, I'm Helen. Yeah, today, we are right here, the Allway Lighting. Yeah, can you introduce some of your product to us? Some new product or some your new challenge?
First after we mainly focus on the downlights and linear lights. Indoor lighting.
Sorry.
Okay, indoor lightings. We mainly produce indoor downlights and linear lights. Some products. Okay. So this year we have some new downlights here. It's mainly with.
要不你站过一点，因为这里有声音，那个大声一点，这样就可以了。
This is our new product, downlights here. It's very creative designs and very compact size and high power and low UGRs. It's very popular with the architects.
High power and low VGI.
Yes.
Great,
And the linear lights also. We have a very creative designs, full range and different designs. This is a trimless one, and this is surface mount, and this is the adjustable grill lights and surface mount also. And we have full family as a linear, recessed, and surface mount also.
This one is very small.
It's very compact, mini size.
Mini size.
And the UGRs is very low and similar size and with different light optics. And we have the surface mount also for all families. Okay. This is the latest design with the new optics. Very classic designs with black and white colors. And we have the square one and linear ones also, and also big size with higher powers. And this is the biggest one with the highest power. Single LED could be 4 to 5 watts, and the max is 40 watts.
And this one is very unique.
This one is optics with the honeycombs inside.
Yeah, the honeycomb inside, and then the holder is here.
Yeah. And we can also provide semi-finished products such as housing. For some countries, they can import the housing alone. They can assemble it by themselves. And maybe we can take some more about the others. We have a DIY family here with one single light and different lighting parts to do the DIY. For different parts. Okay. For one single main fixtures, you can put different light pair parts inside.
Oh, can turn like this, to take the back side and to see the ring. This means that you can combine together. Is that right?
Yeah.
It can be like this one. Yeah.
Okay. Or you can put if you don't want a light inside, you can put a cover just
then
to
put the cover
make the hole.
here.
Okay.
Yeah, like this one. Put the cover here. Different pattern. Yeah.
Okay. You can make different combinations as you like.
Oh, different combination. Yeah. So that means it can be changeable like this one.
Yeah.
With
downlight, spotlights, check lights, or a simple cover is okay.
Simple cover, yeah. It's changeable.
Yes.
So it can be different. Different patterns.
So it's called DIY.
DIY. DIY lighting. This means that. Yeah.
And this is the classic hotel downlight. You can make a fixed downlight, adjustable downlight, and even a wall washer. The difference is the optics here. It can be wall washer, a common downlight, or a small wall washer. Okay.
And this is normally used for the hotel.
Yes.
The hotel
projects like this. And this is the mini project downlight. The max it could be 12 watts.
12 watts.
Yeah.
This can be 12 watts.
This can be 5, but this one, the same size, different heatsink. The head of heatsink could be 12 watts. But this is the mini one, and the trim is very narrow one.
Oh, The shape is the same, but with different heat sink and again can be different power.
Yes, same cut out and different power.
Oh, it's great. Oh yeah, it's good for the project.
Yes, this is mainly for the projects.
Yeah, this is good for
and
project.
this is the latest design with very mini size.
How many watts?
This is 2 watts.
2 watts?
Yes.
Oh,
and
you see very smaller. This downlight can be 2 watts.
Okay, this could be made to make a special environment, or you can make a shape by shaping on the ceiling.
On the different ceiling.
Yeah,
because
it's on the ceiling.
Small,
you can make a layout like a round, a square, or any other shapes you can like.
Great.
Okay. So we have a panel, which we didn't have the place to set this one. This panel is a very special design. It's very like a diamond optic. Yeah, they also special as a low UGR. I don't have the light on, but you can see you don't see the light spot when it's switched on. Yeah.
Cannot
you don't see the light spot when the light is on.
Right.
But this one is with a separate driver here.
Separate driver.
External driver. But we also have one with integrated built-in driver, but it's not here. We didn't bring the sample here. It's too big.
It's a new product.
Yeah,
I think.
Yeah, it's actually we have very size. Like this is a 30 by 30. We have a 60 by 60 and 120 by 60. Different sizes. Also, it can be customized since the different country they have a different ceiling. Yeah, this is the advantage of this one. Okay.
Oh, okay. May I have your name card?
Actually, I don't have my name card here.
Yeah, no problem. Like you ask someone's name card or any connection, and then the customer can contact your site.
Okay. Maybe
you can. This is the Hugo's name card. Yeah. If everyone need the always commercial product and can contact them and then ask for the quotation or inquiry. It's okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice